Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. The Reggae Boyz will look to make it 2 wins from 2 games when they face Haiti on Tuesday in their CONCACAF League A Group B clash at the National Stadium. Jamaica are currently top of the group with 3 points after their 1-0 win over Honduras on Friday with a 64th-minute strike by Damari Gray. Now, Haiti will also look to get their first win of the tournament as they had a 0-0 stalemate with Cuba. The match starts at 7:06 p.m. The top 2 teams from both groups will advance to the playoffs. The Issa Manning Cup competition continues today with 3 games, including 1998 champions Dunedin Technical playing away to Jonathan Grant in Zone C. Now, Denham Town will also take on Eltham High at the Edward Siaga Complex, while Greater Portmore will battle Haile Selassie High at Royal Lakes in the group's other matches. 3 matches will also be contested in the Issa da Costa Cup competition, including last year's beaten Ben Francis Cup finalists Edwin Allen High taking on Cloud McKay at home in Zone H. Now, Kellets High and Thompson Town will do battle at Crofts Hill Community Centre in the other Zone H match. St. Mary High will play Wycliffe Martin High at the Highgate Community Centre, and in Zone I, Iona High is set to face Anotabe High. In cricket, the Barbados Royals women are champions of the 2023 Women's Caribbean Premier League. They defeated the Guyana Amazon Warriors by a narrow 8 runs in the final on Sunday at Taruba in Trinidad. The Royals women first posted 169 for 7 of their 20 overs. Captain Hayley Matthews led the way with 82 of 59 balls, with 10 fours and 2 sixes. Jamaica's Rashada Williams supported with 36, while Gabby Lewis made 21. Shabnim Ismail took 4 for 30 for the Amazon Warriors women. In reply, the Amazon Warriors women put up a gallant attempt but came short at 161 for 8 of their 20 overs. Shemaine Campbell top scored with an unbeaten 47 of 35 balls and 4 fours and 2 sixes. Susie Bates also made 35 and Sophie Devine 22. Jamaica's Natasha McLean also made 28. While another Jamaican and Captain Stephanie Taylor could only muster 4. Amanda Jade Wellington took 4 for 23, and Player of the Match Matthews 2 for 38. And finally, we go to tennis. Novak Djokovic beat Daniil Medvedev 6-3, 7-6, 6-3 to win the US Open on Sunday for his 24th Grand Slam title. With the win, the Serbian broke a tie with Serena Williams for the most major singles championships in the Open era and equaled Margaret Court's all-time singles record. At the age of 36, the number 2 seeded Djokovic became the oldest man to win the US Open in the professional era, which began in 1968. A year after missing the US Open because of the United States restrictions on travelers not vaccinated against COVID-19, Djokovic secured his 4th title in New York by defeating the number 3 seeded Medvedev in a rematch of their 2021 final at Flushing Meadows. Medvedev, a 27-year-old from Russia, was appearing in his 3rd US Open final in 5 years and his 5th major title match in all. Now, the 2021 US Open remains his lone Grand Slam win. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. I'm O'Shane Masters. Shamila, it's back to you.
Thank you, O'Shane, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.